but I wanted to get into great circles because it's. I looked into it somewhat, and from what I see, it's a theory. Like,
What do you mean?
the great circle
Theory.
on the globe, the great circle that
Who?
are on a globe. Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were talking about things in the fields.
Flying?
No, no.
No, it's flying in a great, the great circle maps. A great circle route,
Yeah.
whatever you want to
Oh
call it,
yeah,
like a
I
latitude
showed them
or
with
longitude.
just a piece of string disproves that. But they'll swear to God that if you go up and fly over over Arctica to get to Germany and them, they have to use that great circle because in the real life, I got kicked out of my house to this. Okay, my friend, he was a warrant officer 3 going to Poland about 2022, and so I said, okay. I went to the sports store, got him a compass. I said, set this on your freaking plate desk and watch which way you go. You're not going to go east. You're going to go north because the reason they have to make these great circle routes is they have to explain why they're flying over the lands they are, which they shouldn't be if they went straight. So they just make up the story that it's a great circle route because literally they cover those lands. And you know what I'm saying? Am I losing it?
No, no, you're not losing it. In other words, it's not really it's equal elevation. It's like it's what the great circles really are, but they have to misplace them because they go over certain parts of the land they shouldn't be going over.
Well, it
with their
says
flights.
here, a great circle is the largest circle that can be drawn on a sphere formed by the intersection of a sphere with a plane that passes through the center.
Yeah,
Ooh,
exactly.
what about
This
that?
serves
A
as
plane.
spherical geometry
Cool
equivalent
story.
of a straight
Yeah,
line.
it is. And
Euclidean
McCoon wouldn't
space.
even touch that. He that's what Nathan was asking him about, that inner plane where they take the measurement for their sphere.
Yeah, it's because it's through the center of the Earth, right? Their alleged oblate spheroid.
Yeah, when we started going over this back 17, it just all you got to do is the Great Circle Route. They have to say that, like if you're going from California to Germany, they make the circle route goes up above on the globe and comes back down to Germany. But on the flat map, it actually goes north towards Germany. You never really go east.
It's because of a straight line. That's why. It's because it's straight. They're not curving. So it's like they're not veering. They're not veering off to the left or right. You know what I'm saying? That's why they do that.
Yeah,
it has to be like that.
Well, they say it's shorter route going like that. They do it because in the real world, people know and can look down and see the land they're crossing. They have to make up a reason for that. Oh, it's circle route's closer. Am I saying it wrong?
No, I think you're getting it. The straight line is how they do the routes, but in order to justify it on the globe, they have to draw this great circle because you're on
around the globe. Yeah, they have to
you're
do
going
that.
around the globe. Yeah.
Yes.
So
because you're just going straight. You're just going the straight line.
That's it.
That's why they have to do that.
Yeah. So they made a theory out of it, from what I can tell. I got a video. I didn't look at it yet, so I thought we could look at what their excuse is here. You ready? How they've created a great circle.
Dude, why am I tripping? Am I tripping, or is why the stars all shaking?
I don't know, man. I couldn't tell you. What are you on right now?
I'm not on anything.
You got one of those motion things on, probably. And there's a thing that can do motion, like those pictures you take now.
So the stars, hold on, the stars don't look like they're moving at all to you?
Oh, yeah, they do. 100%.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. So I'm not tripping then. Or unless you're tripping.
They don't look like they're moving to me.
Well, what it is, do you know that live play, when you take a picture, it goes like 2 or 3 seconds live if you have that mode on? That's what this mode's on, Scott. You know what I'm talking about, right?
No, maybe I'm just tripping.
No, I see it moving. It's not moving. They're shaking back and forth.
It just appears to be that way. Yeah.
It's an optical illusion.
Right.
It's being refracted.
All right. Are you ready, guys? Let's see what they got to say. Merry Christmas, boys and girls. There's your home. Those are some of the realistic pictures that thousands of them are out there.
Push play.
In 1965, French archaeologist Francis Messier discovered that Easter Island, ancient sites in Peru, and the Giza Plateau all align on a straight line. In 1997, American researcher Jim Allison expanded on this with the Great Circle Theory. He proposed that if you draw an equator tilted at a 30-degree angle starting from Easter Island and widen it by 100 kilometers with a plus minus 50 kilometers margin for error, many of the world's most ancient sites fall along this line.
This is
Beginning
more
at
than I
Easter
thought.
Island, home to the world's largest collection of giant stone statues, also known as moais, the line passes through Peru, intersecting sites like Nazca lines, Machu Picchu, Ollantaytambo, Sacsayhuaman, Cusco, and Nopo
Okay.
Iglesia.
And now, where is this line at? I'm looking for it. Do you see a line, guys? Anybody?
It says it's the equator.
Yeah.
They're like ley lines. No, what do you mean? It's not the
Well,
equator.
no, it's not.
Yeah, they said
It's
you
like
draw
ley
across
lines,
the
though.
equator, right? That's what he
He was
says.
saying- like the equator, I think, didn't he?
I thought you said it's on the equator, and on the equator you have everything. All these things are on the equator.
Hmm.
That's what I understood. He said,
Now I'm looking for the straight line, though. I don't see it.
"What? Oh,
That's not.
my friend today. I was telling him about it, and he says it's a straight line. I said if you circle it around the Earth, yes, you just draw a straight line and it curves. In his mind, that picture works as a straight line.
All right. Okay. Yeah.
And that's what he says. It's a straight line around that makes a circle, but it's a straight line. You draw a straight line. If you start this on the globe and you go all the way around, you're drawing a straight line. I said, no, you're not.
That's the new level, Harmon. The new level.
Well, the funny thing is, with their radius value from the equatorial plane, they have to bend these sub points to actually get them placed on their maps. So they actually have to bend their radius, which invalidates their radius. It ruins their radius. I'm sorry. Did I say that right? Because once you bend a radii, you don't get an accurate distance. If you come from the
Go back
center of
just
the
a little bit
circle,
and see if he said this is the equator. Go back just a few minutes.
I got you.
We went that far in.
Let's see if it's here.
Machu Picchu, Ollantaytambo,
before
Sacsayhuaman,
that.
Cusco,
further.
and Nopo Iglesia. Skipping over the large
Let's try that.
Machu Picchu,
No.
Ollantaytambo,
Yeah.
stone statues,
Okay,
also
now.
known as
Yeah.
moais. The line passes through Peru, intersecting sites like
I
Nazca
got these
lines,
earlier.
Machu Picchu, Ollantaytambo, Sacsayhuaman, Cusco, and Nopo
They didn't
Iglesia.
say it.
Skipping over the large
Well, he did earlier, but
Amazon
you guys-
basin in
it's
Brazil,
too far
the
back.
line continues to Africa, passing by Mauritania's Richat structure, also known
That's
as the
not
Eye of
really
Sahara,
important.
which many believe to be the sunken capital city of Atlantis. The line then continues through Algeria's sacred caves of Tisili and Ager, a vast plateau known for its ancient rock art depicting
I
the
wanna-
It's
I wanna
not the
throw something
equator.
out there.
It's not.
No,
It's not.
Yeah.
No.
So this does not
It's
go
not.
north
Don't
to
you-
south either. Yeah. None of these
Don't
lines.
dare
Well-
argue with me.
According to the definition, like I said, this is the Great Circle is the largest circle that can be drawn on a sphere, which could go. It's like you could draw that on anywhere.
Making a hemisphere. You make a hemisphere out of it.
Yeah.
That's what it does. It cuts it in half.
You-
A circle.
You-
I mean, a
it's
sphere.
So you make
But it says
sphere.
it says it's formed by the intersection of the sphere with a plane
Yeah.
that passes through its center.
Well, I don't
Yeah.
understand that.
Yeah, it's not very specific because I mean,
What do you mean?
intersection
just
doesn't
taking it-
what it doesn't say like an angle, like a 90
It's
degree
taking
intersection.
the sphere and cutting it in half. That's all it's doing. Anywhere. That's what Great Circle route means. That's what that means.
Yeah, they
No, it
have
doesn't.
to, they have to
Yes, it
obfuscate
does.
because they have to have.
He just said it.
Well, they have to have that zero, baseline in order to circumnavigate or celestial
Well,
navigation has
well,
to
yeah.
be done with.
And you have to have azimuth. You have to have directional measurements too.
So,
And
JJ, did you ask them what was the Great Circle route? Is what you asked, and that's what you got?
Yeah,
Okay.
basically, it says it serves as the spherical geometry equivalent to a straight line in Euclidean space and is used in navigation to determine the shortest path between 2 points on Earth's surface. That's what Wikipedia says.
Right. And since the Earth's not the globe, all that is 100% BS.
Yeah.
Of course, yeah. It's only spherical geometry. That's all that is. That's it.
It's not physicality at all.
It's not real. It's fake.
Just trust me, bro. Fallacy land.
Well, you notice it started off. It's a theory. Okay, that's the way they worded all the videos that I looked up on it. It's the theory of great circles. So, all right, it's a theory. Let's see it proven.
Early human life in the Sahara. Then it goes over Siwa Oasis in Egypt, one of the world's most isolated oases. And of course, it passes by Giza Plateau. The journey then continues to Petra in Jordan, one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Then an ancient city in Iraq, notable for its well-preserved Great Ziggurat. Persepolis in Iran, the ceremonial capital of the ancient Persian Empire. Mohenjo-Daro in Pakistan, an Indus Valley city among the world's earliest urban centers. Khajuraho in India, a site of stunning medieval Hindu and Jain temples adorned with intricate sculptures. And Barabar Caves in India, renowned for precise rock-cut craftsmanship, polished interiors, and intricate carvings that showcase advanced engineering skills. Then we get to PA in Burma, known for its ancient ruins of the city.
Oh, so far we're not on a straight line, though. You got things that are not on that line. You can't draw a straight line on a sphere. That's all I got to say. It has to curve.
No, that's a straight line. You just don't get it. That is a straight line.
It's not linear. It's just not linear.
Oh yeah, I guess if you use that's not a shit. If I'd have told him that, his brain wouldn't have understood the word. So yeah.
Anyways, why don't we have a real video of this happening in real time? Why can't it just fly to these
Because
places?
cartoons are how we can tell it's real.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You can tell it's real because it looks so fake.
Meep, meep, ding. Yeah.
Are you gonna have to bring a doctor's note? Are you gonna, JJ? You're gonna have to bring a doctor's note tomorrow to excuse your day off?
I'm the boss, dude, so I'd be bringing myself a note.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to say.
Write it on the mirror, when you get up. I'm off today. Thanks, boss. All right.
What is this showing right now? What was that?
The Barbara Caves in Paella.
Looks like a big ass bell that they hid.
Yeah, back it up a little bit.
Back it up. That thing?
Right there. Yeah.
That's a temple, I guess.
Just go back a little bit more. He'll tell you what it is. Just go back 30 seconds or so.
All right. Here we go.
Known for its ancient ruins of the city of Sri Kshetra, Sukhothai in Thailand, celebrated for its well-preserved ruins of the ancient Sukhothai kingdom, reflecting early Thai art and architecture. Preah in Cambodia, famed for its stunning hilltop temple complex, and of course, Angkor Wat, the world's largest religious monument. Finally, it reaches another remote island in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, Netium in New Caledonia. The precise alignment of these sites, many of them world-renowned wonders, raises an intriguing question.
Like I said, it's like ley lines
of an ancient
on a flat Earth.
global civilization.
A lot of things are lined up, man. It's crazy.
Coincidence, shaped by the patterns our imagination
Did he say coincidence?
tends to create.
Yeah, coinkydink.
Coinkydink.
Yeah. Well, that's the theory of the Great Circle Route. That's the theory. I didn't see a theory there. Did you see a theory?
That's obviously not the equator.
No.
I bet it's going like a 40.
Well, and it's also obviously a theory because it's not real.
Well,
Yeah.
It's just a thought process.
Neither is the equator real. It's just a thought too. It's just lines. Same with Capricorn and Cancer. They're not real. It's man's way they mapped them.
Yeah.
It's like trying to put shoes on a unicorn, man.
I got another video too. It has basically goes to a different. I think it compares great circles to Rhumb lines. That's the next one. I got
Great Circle what?
To Rhumb lines. You know what Rhumb lines are, right?
No, I'm sure Scott does.
Navigation. Yeah, it's navigation in the water, oceans.
Take points in the ocean when they do cartography. Basically, they'll set Rhumb lines up further out to get the circumference of the lands they're on. So